To install Ledger Flex, you need to start by ensuring your computer meets the necessary system requirements. This includes having a compatible operating system, sufficient disk space, and the required software dependencies. First, go to the official Ledger Flex website and download the installation package. Make sure to select the correct version for your operating system. Once the download is complete, navigate to the downloaded file and run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the installation. You will be prompted to accept the terms and conditions. Choose the installation location, and select any additional components you want to install. After completing the installation, launch Ledger Flex and follow the setup wizard to configure the application. This includes setting up your user account, selecting the desired currency, and configuring any additional settings. It is essential to note that Ledger Flex requires a secure connection to function properly. Ensure your internet connection is stable and secure before proceeding. To verify the installation, create a new project or import an existing one. This will help you test the application's functionality and ensure everything is working as expected. Best practices recommend regularly updating Ledger Flex to ensure you have the latest features and security patches. You can do this by checking for updates within the application or visiting the official website. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully install Ledger Flex and start managing your financial data efficiently. Remember to always prioritize security and keep your software up to date to ensure a seamless user experience.